This is a new sharing from LoRA Video Training. Different from the previous video, we use videos as the training set, which allows us to achieve more dynamic effects and more natural behavioral results. For example, cycling, running, and eating a hamburger. This video focuses more on the preparation of the training set and data labeling. Navigate to RunningHub, click AI, or click the link in the introduction to register, and you'll receive 1000 RHB, log in every day, and get an additional 100 points. The corresponding AI workflow and one-click AI applications have been deployed online and can now be run and tested online. So we see that to limit memory usage within 24 gigabytes, we should use a resolution of 512 by 512 and set the maximum frame rate to 33. The number of videos does not affect GPU memory usage. This can also be done in other editing software. The second step is labeling. For this labeling task, I use the 7B model from WingQ that I shared in a previous video. It supports using videos as input and generates Chinese text results. Since the hybrid model supports Chinese, we directly use Chinese for labeling, which is also a difference from training with images. Then it appends a text save function, allowing us to incrementally name the locally saved TXT files with increasing numbers. The workflow could be more automated, but it's clear that preparing the training set requires us to extract the main content. If we look at it today, it's inevitable to make a subjective judgment. In ComfyUI, the final step is to generate a basic tattoo video workflow for testing a fundamental holistic model. LoRA is integrated, and for training a video LoRA model, I think 1,500 steps should be a reasonable value. This is for reference only. The training tools were just completely overlooked, and I'm using Diffusion Pipe. In the previous video, I mentioned this project, and at this moment, I would actually recommend it more strongly, launched by Koya. Then there's Koya, someone we've been very familiar with, accompanying us from the era of 1.5 all the way up to now.
So most of the time, this channel shares open source models and projects, but closed source models are where RunningHub really shines. It has significantly lowered the prices of many popular models like video.
Some models like Heling and Wanxiang have specifications that are even lower than the officially announced prices.
The more you use it, the more you'll realize that saving up over time really adds up.